about launching a business and then you're stressing yourself about how to go about your website, I've got just the hack for you. These days, you don't really need to pay anyone to build your website for you. With just a particular AI platform, you can use a prompt to create your website from scratch and publish it for anyone to be able to access and buy your products and services. So let's not waste time, guys. Let me show you guys right how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe and do save this video so you can come back to it later when you need it.
So guys, the AI platform I was talking about to build your free website as a business owner, or if you're into anything that needs a website, is called Wegic. So all you need to do is to go to your browser and type wegic.ai, and then you get something like this and you log in with your email. So let's get started, guys. All you need to do is to click on build your website. And then once it loads, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. So you can see it's asking, who are you building website for? So depending on who you're building the website for, you click on it. So for here, I'll just use something like a freelancer or an agency. Then what kind of work do you do, my friend? So you pick the particular one you do. If you have it here, you pick it here. If you don't have, then you just type it here. So here I'm going to write something like digital marketing, and then there we go. And then what best describes your role at work? I'm just going to use director. Have you created websites before? I'll pick no, I never have. Awesome. So let's click on create websites now. So basically it's going to ask you different kinds of questions that will help it to know, understand what kind of business you are into and what kind of website it should build for you. So what kind of websites are you looking to build? So just highlight things that you want to do. So I'll just use a digital marketer as an example. So I'll just have something like, and then guys, don't forget, you can also use ChatGPT to create a prompt that is suitable for what you want to do. Okay. So here I'm just going to say, I want to create a website suitable for my digital marketing business. I want it to have sections to showcase my products, affiliates, and any other. Okay, and let me use an testimonial section. It should have an about me page and a section for blogs. So just something like this. Don't forget, you can use ChatGPT to prompt this, okay? And then we click on enter. Okay, so you can see is highlighting what. So now let's give your website a name. So what kind of name, depending on what you want to do or whatever name that your business is. So I'll just use something like Lima Digitals, just as an example. So depending on what your business name is or what your brand is like, then you can put it here. So what language? I'll pick English, and then it's going to ask you more questions. It will keep asking questions until it gets everything fully in order to create your website for you. So you can see it's telling you that this is what is going to make. Here's an outline of the website. It's going to be 3 pages, showcase digital marketing products, highlight affiliate. So you can see different things that it's going to add. And if you have anything you want to add, just click on add new content. If you don't, then just click on OK. Let's start generating. So just give it a couple of seconds, and then once it's done, then it's going to go to generate the website for you. This is so easy, especially if you're starting an online business and then you don't want to spend much time editing a particular website template or anything. This is a good way to get started. So you can see it's already assembling your website. You just give it a couple of minutes and then it's going to give you a good website. And it's not just any website, it's going to give you a really, really nice website. Can you see this, guys? Guys, just check this out. Just take a look at this. Transform your business with Lima Digitals. Just take a look at this. So it's going to give you a professional website. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? The success stories. Can you see this? So this is amazing. What else? So with this, you don't need to stress yourself and anything. And if you need to change anything, just click on chat and you're good to go. And you're good to go. So you can edit whichever part of it that you don't like. Just ask it any questions or anything that you want to add, and then you're good to go. So, what else? So, guys, that is it. Let me know if you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, do drop it for me in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.